In this video, I'm going to explain the gap fill by close report on edgeful.com. So here we're looking at SPY and we're looking at the trailing 1 year. And you can see that what we have here is gaps up that filled. So this only considers the gaps up in the last year that have filled. And then we have gaps down that have filled. So this report only considers gaps that have filled. What this is measuring is after it has filled, where did it close? Where did price close on the day? Did it close green or did it close red? And this is an amazing explanation of it. So this blue line, this horizontal blue line is the gap fill. This is the previous day's closing price. And then we're seeing a gap up here. So price opened, it opened above the previous day's closing price. Then it came down, filled the gap. So now once price touched this line here, the gap was filled, but then you can see it closed above the gap. So it closed green. So in this blue area here is this blue area. So this day actually counted towards this closing green. If price had flushed, broken through this previous day's closing price, this gap fill, and then closed down here, that would have been contributed to this closed red section. So again, just a quick recap. Previous day's closing price is the gap fill. We opened above, so that's a gap up. So now we're looking at here, gap up, because we opened above this blue line. So now it's a gap up. Price comes down, touches the blue line. That's a gap fill. Then price closed above in this blue area above this blue line. So that is a gap fill, a gap up that filled and closed green. So how do you use this in your trading? If there is a gap up and it fills, 63% of the time it has bounced back out. So you don't want to have a very, very short bias after it's already filled, because historically in the last year, it'll actually bounce back out and close green. So you're going to give back profits if you set your profit targets lower on the day, rather than just taking your profits around this gap fill area, because historically price has come back and bounced and closed above that gap fill. So I hope this video helps. And if you ever have any questions, you can reach out to support or hello@edgeful.com. Thanks for watching.